Hey, it's Alexa from Kid Activities with Alexa, and today I want to show you a little song that you can do with your cars. What I did is I cut out the cars, I put packing tape around it just to kind of laminate them. I put a craft stick in the back with some tape, and then that's it. So it goes like this. I see a red car, I see a red car, yes I do. How about you? Do you see a red car? Do you see a red car? Yes I do. Yes I do. I see a blue car, I see a blue car, yes I do. Yes I do. Do you see a blue car? Do you see a blue car? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I see a yellow car. I see a yellow car. Yes, I do. How about you? Do you see a yellow car? Do you see a yellow car? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And this is a great song that you can also do when you're in the car driving and they're getting kind of fuzzy. So you can look out the window, see what color the car is, and then start singing. And the kids absolutely love it. So I hope you had fun. I hope you go sing. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.